Hi team, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Venkat.
Yeah, good morning.
Hi, Venkat.
Hi, good morning. So coming to the today's class, I'm discussing about position object. Yesterday, what I had been discussed in yesterday class. Coming to yesterday class, I discussed about app creation, object creation, fields creation, and also apart from this, I also discussed about how to create a tab. Okay, just I started with the page layout, but I did not discuss how to create a new page layout, that particular things. And coming to the today's class, I want to discuss about new page layout, and also I want to create a record types also. After completion of this, I want to start with position object. Okay, that is the main agenda of today's class. Okay, I want to start with the position object also. And also after that, I'll give you assignments on candidate object and all other particular objects. Yeah. So one more thing, Amani, Somya, Ram Mohan, everyone started practice. How the things are going on?
Yes, Venkat.
Venkat,
It's so far good.
Amani, which topic you're practicing now?
I started creating the app, but somewhere I got stuck. So maybe today I'll do more practice.
Okay.
I yeah.
What about the Somya?
Hi Venkat. Yeah, actually, I created app, but I have quick queries. Maybe at the end of this class, maybe it may get when you are proceeding right at the time, it may get solved, or else I will ask at the end of the class.
Okay. What about Ram Mohan? What's the thing you're
Venkat, I did
practicing?
not practice the yesterday because of yesterday my office sprint we started new sprint. That is the reason. Today I will complete the all practice session today and yesterday's classes.
Okay. What about
So
Joel? Joel and Rohit? Joel, what about you? Which topic you're practicing?
Yes, Venkat, I was practicing creating the application. The object spark, there's a little doubt in it, and placements as well.
Is it completed or any queries?
Placements, in regard with placements, I have some doubts.
Okay. Okay, then fine. And what about Rohit? Rohit, I think you did not started. Just we completed app creation, object creation, fields creation. Today I'll give you access after completion of the class. I'll call you once. Accordingly, you can follow up the things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I'm sharing my screen. So coming to the today's class, I'm discussing about hiring manager object page layout, and also I want to discuss about record types also. Apart from this, I will start with the position object. Then after completion of this, then I'll going to be discuss about I'm giving assignment about candidate object. Yeah. Yeah, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, it is.
yeah, yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
1 minute, team. Sharing my screen. Okay, I'll start with the hiring manager object. Okay, I started with the hiring manager object. Okay. You're able to see yesterday I created all these particular fields. So by default, I told you, when by default there is a one page layout is being existed. You can able to see. You're able to see by default there is a page layout being existed. Okay, now I'm creating a new page layout. Okay, so click on new. Is my recording is going on? Yes, recording is going on. Fine. Click on new. Just I'm creating a new page layout. How to create a new page layout? Let us start with it. Okay, just I'm clicking on new. Okay, I'm creating IT hiring manager. Just I'm taking the existing page layout. I'm using all the fields as it is. Okay, I'm not removing any of the fields for IT hiring manager. I'm clicking on save. Similarly, just I'm clicking on new. Just I'm using existing layout. Just I'm creating for non-IT hiring manager. Okay, for non-IT hiring manager, just I'm removing some other fields. I'm expecting this particular field is not required skills. Okay, just I'm placing this number of location. Okay, just I'm removing the layout. Let me try to click on save. What are the layouts I created? IT hiring manager layout and non-IT hiring manager layout. Everyone able to observe?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I created two layouts, IT hiring manager layout and non-IT hiring manager. Our next step is I'm going to just this is the steps. Okay, first we need to create an app. Then we need to create objects. Then we need to create a tab. Then we need to create a fields. Then we need to create the page layout. Then we need to create the record type. This is the process. Is this correct? Okay, this is the structure. For hiring manager object, just I created an object and similarly I created a fields. Now I created a page layout. What is the next step? I need to create a record type. What is record type? I'll tell you. Just I'm going to the pane. For example, if you visited ATM, anyone observed like we have current account, savings account, anyone observed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we have current account, savings account, business account. Anyone observed?
Yeah.
These are nothing but a record types. Record types are nothing but a graphical user interface. Okay, like for example, if you clicked on current account, just imagine. Okay, if you clicked on current account, then immediately we'll see the current account page layout. Okay, for example, just imagine if you clicked on savings account. Okay, then you will see the savings account page layout. For example, if you clicked on business account, then you will see the business account layout. Okay, like this, you can able to see the different layouts as per the requirement. For example, if you clicked on current account page layout. If you clicked on savings account page layout. For example, if you clicked on business account, then business account page layout. Is it correct? Okay, sometimes for business account, different types of extra fields will be added. Like what type of business you are doing, like this. Okay. Like here also the same. Just I'm creating two record types. One is for IT hiring manager and another is for non-IT hiring manager. For example, if you clicked on IT hiring manager, you can able to see IT hiring manager layout information. For example, if you select a non-IT hiring manager record type, you can able to see the non-IT hiring manager layout. Everyone able to understand my requirement? So me everyone.
Yes, sir.
So Venkat, here we just created a new one, no, copying the previous one. So the
Yes,
layouts will be
existing.
similar.
Yes,
Similar, no?
yes,
We can edit them later, right? Yeah.
yes. Just for hiring manager, we have a less number of fields. Just I'm using the same fields. For position object, let us create different types of sections. I'll remove the sections like that. Okay. Click on new. Everything I mentioned here in the documentation, you can able to see. Click new. IT hiring manager, non-IT hiring manager, like this. Just I'm selecting the IT hiring manager. Let me try to click on next.
So in that list, we'll be able to see only the applications which we created in the options.
Not application.
I mean,
In the hiring manager object, IT hiring manager layout information, it's linked to IT hiring manager like that.
okay, IT hiring, open that, no? Once, I'll ask.
This one?
Yeah. So, hiring manager layout is there, no? All these, all these three are under hiring manager only, right?
Yes,
Okay,
all
okay.
these three under hiring manager.
Layouts, different layouts. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it, got it.
Okay, just I'm selecting IT hiring manager layout. Click on save. Okay, what is our new record type? Non-IT hiring manager.
What is that existing record type?
Existing record type is not presented. Only a new record type we can create.
Okay. We have a field there. That's why I asked. Tells
Which field?
master like
This one.
first field.
No, it's not, nothing. Initially, there is a record type empty. Okay. If you choose existing record types means existing. No, don't choose any existing record type. Okay. When you're creating the new record type,
Okay.
click on make available and enable make default also. Don't forget this option. Okay. When you're creating a new record type, the second record type, don't forget this option make default. You can able to see. Okay. Click next. Just I'm selecting the non-IT hiring manager layout. Click save. Here, because I'm selecting non-IT hiring manager with non-IT hiring manager layout. Click save. There are multiple options. Don't use every option. Only some options you can use. I'm saying again to everyone. Everyone able to say IT hiring manager, non-IT hiring manager.
But Venkat, in the non-IT hiring manager, you did not select those two options, right?
Which options?
Like make available and the other one.
Yes, I selected for non-IT hiring manager. I selected make available and make default also. Yeah, you can able to see. I selected two options for non-IT hiring manager.
So whatever the layout you are selecting, for that the record type, these two has to be enabled by
Yeah, for
default.
non-IT hiring, for the second record type or third record type or whatever it may. When, for example, if you're creating third record type, just imagine.
Why not for the first one?
Because why it is not, no, first one you can able to see when you created the record type, that particular hidden, okay? That make default is hidden. Only for second one, third one, it will be highlighted. Then we
Now
are
here the
making, yeah.
hiring manager and non-IT hiring manager are the ones which we have created, right?
Mm.
So, but you enabled those two for these, right? Like make
For,
available in the other
for
one. You have
IT,
enabled for both.
1 minute. For first record type, whatever you created, okay, the make default option is hidden. Okay. Whenever if you are creating second, third, fourth, whatever the record types, then it will be highlighted. Make default option is be highlighted. Okay. Then we are making like which record type needs to be chosen for that particular object. Okay, just imagine you can able to see. Click on new. If you did not enable the by default option, automatically IT hiring manager record type will come. Will not get like this. Will not get an option to choose.
So you meant to say when we created the first record type, manually we have to make them available, but from the second one, that will be defaulted, like default selected.
Yeah, you need to select make default option also been selected for second record type, third, for entire, all the things whenever you created. That's I mentioned. Okay.
One more question, Venkat, like, is the page layout name? I mean, it's like mapped with the record type or something, because record
Yes,
type is actually what actually it's just a page layout mapping kind, or
yes, page layout mapping. Yes, exactly. Record type is a graphical user interface showing a different UI, okay, based on the requirement of the client. Okay, whatever the page layout name, you need to choose the same record type. Then it will not be a confusion. Okay, even in the real time also you'll do the same.
yeah, okay. So only the names you are adding it as layout and this as a record type.
Yes. For
And the first
example,
and
if
one more,
you
like, first time you first record hiring manager layout, you made that default one, and rest other two you made just available, right?
IT hiring manager default checkbox is disabled. Okay.
Yeah.
Make default checkbox is disabled for non-IT hiring manager. For the next record types, whatever you are creating, then make default checkbox is been enabled. For the next record type, even if you created the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever the record type, you need to enable the make default and make available two options. But for going to the IT hiring manager, only the first option you can enable. The second option is disabled. Okay.
Yeah, otherwise it won't be available in the list. That is what you
Yes.
said. Okay.
Yes, I'm saying that. You can able to see if you go to IT hiring manager.
Also, Venkat, I'm asking one more question. It's like, if you now you're creating object fields, everything for this particular application, right? So suppose one of the object is like a frequently used across application. Do we have any option to make it generic or something like that?
No, we need to keep the, yes, then in that particular situation, we need to keep that particular object in that particular object also, in that particular application also. For example, if the same object is used in multiple application, then you need to, first you need to create an object. Like you can able to see when you are creating an object, we are creating a tab. Okay, when we are creating a tab, so what, wherever this particular object is used, then you need to place, that's it.
So whenever you create an application there, it will be there, like it will be listed, or how it is like.
Do you remember when I'm creating an object and also after creating a tab, just I'm placing the application. In different applications I'm placing. When I'm creating a tab, do you observe?
Yeah, so okay, maybe initially, if I didn't know, later on also I have an edit option to do that. Like when you
Yes,
create
we can
object.
have edit option to do it. Initially, if
Oh,
you forgotten, you have an edit option to place. I'll show that particular thing also.
sure, sure.
1 minute.
I know little bit deviation kind, but when we are creating your that documentation, I saw that like there was option to select that University of Arizona. There was all other applications mentioned.
Okay, just you need to click on pencil icon.
Okay.
You can add more items where whatever the objects. For example, if you selected analytics, you can add
This is only standard objects or even your customed objects.
custom standard anything you can.
Okay. And to the standard objects, because by default you said like leads, accounts, opportunity, contacts, and all you selected, those are like standard objects given by the Salesforce itself. Suppose I want few fields to be added to the default, whether any.
Yes, same. Go to object manager, go to that object, go to account object, click new, same. For example, account. Process is same, no change. Click new.
Okay, so it's allowed for us to change and
Not changing the existing fields, creating the new fields.
new
Yeah,
fields. Yeah. Okay.
yes, same process.
Can we delete the existing fields, Venkat?
Yes, we can do it. Just go to account. Because we are in the starting now, just to concentrate on these custom objects. Later on, you can able to understand. Because you are building everything from scratch. So you can remove it.
Sure. Yeah.
You can remove it. and you can place the new field. Okay, and you can remove the existing field. See, everyone able to see? And you can create a new page, new just sections I did not show you page load. The position object I will show you. Okay, just I shown the record types, hiring manager, objects, fields, all these particular things I shown. Okay, now the next step is I'm showing for the position object. Position object. Position, there are multiple fields I'm creating now. What is the next step? First, I need to create an object. Okay, let's go and create. Just I'm mentioning 01.
And this is also mandatory kind, like even for hiring
Yeah,
manager.
it's a display format of Salesforce. Yes, that's what
So
you can able to see.
always we have to give an ID for it, for
Of
any
course,
field, any
because
objects we create.
automatically it will be incremented. Okay, the record ID.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm allowing this particular record in all these particular features, reports, all these things. Click save. After clicking save, you can able to see tab will be open. Are you able to see tab? Click next. I think you asked the same object. Yes, we can use it. Click next. Are you able to see? Soumya, you can
Yeah,
use in any of the
yeah,
application.
here we can, but yeah, but I mean,
Application wide
it
also I
also,
shown you.
if you want to
Yes.
add to any other application, you can
Yes,
come
I
back.
shown. I
Okay.
shown, clicking on pencil icon.
Yeah.
Okay, just I created a position object. Now let's create a multiple fields inside the position object. Okay, this is my first record. Automatically it is incremented. You can able to see because auto number.
Now these are like records, right? Which is not
Yes,
having any value, any fields.
yes. These are the records because I did not created anything. Yeah. Now let's create a multiple fields inside the position object. Okay, let's go to the position name. There we have multiple fields. Everyone able to see the fields? Yeah, let's start with this. Navigate to fields and relationship, click new. Maybe it's boring now, but don't feel boring. Like because we have the same thing, which I'm repeating it again and again. Okay, just I'm making it as a required field because position without position name, I'll get to know. Click next. Click save and new.
Do we have any naming standards for this?
Yeah, they will give you accordingly. Okay. There is no naming standards exactly. Just we need to mention capital. That's it. Okay. They will give you in Excel sheet. Okay. The same thing you can copy it. Click next. Save a new. Again, new field information will come. Yeah. And we have responsibilities. Responsibilities is a text area long. Where is text area long? I'm requesting everyone, please try to practice it. Then only you'll get the things. So, me are facing any difficulties when you're creating application? I think you told.
Uh, Not like difficulties, but that's why I said like a little bit only tried yesterday because right, I missed the class. So today will definitely, yeah, I went through it, but not in a, it was like break I took like 10-15 minutes I went through the class. It
Got
was
it.
like that. Yeah. But today I
Got
will
it. Got
definitely
it.
try.
Everyone, not only Somya, try to complete it because tomorrow onwards. Okay. Because this week I told you, just some work definitely this week. Skills required. This week definitely there is a work. Everyone, I'm requesting to please practice and complete it on time. Save one new text area long skills required and educational requirements. Text area long. Okay, just I'm selecting. Then travel required. These are all the check boxes. Let's create. In real time, they will give time. Okay, just when you're doing all these things.
The real time, like how you are showing in the document, do they give like what kind of type
In
the
real
field
time,
is
we'll
and
get
all?
Excel sheet, Excel sheet, Excel sheet.
Okay, no, but my question is now here. Like, can you go back to the document? Here it is like travel required checkbox, Java checkbox, right? So will this be given like whether it should be a checkbox or phone number, contact number, like that
Yes,
field
of
type?
course, they will give in real time like this. They will give you
Okay.
field name and data type in the Excel sheet. Like we have a columns in
Mm.
Excel sheet, they'll give you the product owner,
Okay.
and it will be attached to Jira story. For example, if they did not given means we can ask, can you please mention the data type, which data type we need to add? And we can mention like this, they will give you. Because we can ask the questions if you have any queries based on the client requirements. If you have any queries, definitely we can ask. And Java, it's a checkbox. And we have JavaScript checkbox, Apex checkbox.
So what is that Java checkbox?
It's like a checkbox field I'm creating. Okay.
Okay.
Means that particular position
If
needs
they
this.
know that skill or not. Okay, got it.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Apex,
So
Excel,
for
PowerPoint.
multiple selection, you have only checkbox, and for single, you have radio button kind.
Yeah, we have multi-select quick list, that particular thing also. I think
That
we
is
can make it
drop
to
down.
multi-select
Okay, I
quick
think we
list
have to
also.
try. I guess like every control how it is.
Yes. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do
Yeah,
it because
sure,
we
sure.
have multiple fields now. Just to increase the fields, just I given all these particular things. Okay. Because you'll get some clarity. In the real time, we have multiple fields now. Like we have Excel, PowerPoint, Word, team building. These are all checkboxes. And we have other fields also, not only these. PowerPoint, Word, team building. Okay, I created few fields. Everyone is understanding what I'm doing. I think Rohit, you are facing any difficulty? Rohit.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. No worries. Just in the after completion of the class, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Then follow it. Then accordingly prepare well that particular things. Checkbox again, team building. That particular person have a skills for team building or not. Anyone are feeling boring? Anyone are feeling boring? Okay, date fields. This particular position is hired by and also close date. Every position has some close date like that. Anyone are feeling boring? Because the same thing I'm doing again and again. Date field I'm selecting.
When you give date field, I mean, is that you give by default DDMMYY or it's like can change that?
Yeah, if you want to edit, you can edit it. Just I'm selecting the date only. Yeah. Yeah. Allows user to enter a date or pick the appropriate date. Why? No, it's like date, month, date, and we cannot able to select the time. Okay, year, date, month, year. That's
No,
it.
time year is fine, but if you want like a particular model like year, month, date, or date, month, year, or like because different
It will display the
country will.
calendar. It will
Uh,
display the calendar. Okay, accordingly we can choose. It will display the calendar. Is there any date fields here? Mm. Like this, it will display the calendar.
yeah, like that format where you are selecting below. Can you see there is one format 12/31/2024? It's like somewhere.
Automatically, it will be reflected.
So it's only single format we have. We can't
Yes,
get the format. Okay.
automatically we are reflecting this. You can able to see the format. It is showing. If you want
Yeah.
to show some pop-up message, you can show through validation rule or something. Yeah. But here automatically it is reflecting. You can select the June or whatever it may be, this particular
So
thing.
it's month, date, and then year as
Yes,
per Salesforce one.
exactly. Yeah. Okay, I created the close date also. Okay, just I create a location pick list. Okay, it's a pick list. Click next. Okay, I selected some other fields. Let us create status. It is also a pick list. New position, pending approval. Okay, this is also a pick list. Everyone is understanding what I'm dealing. Everyone is understanding what I'm dealing.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, just I created some fields. Let us create other fields also. Okay, like we have other fields like type. Type is a pick list. Full time, part time, contract. This is also a pick list. Click on new. Just I'm selecting the pick list. And we have other fields also. Functional area. Okay, it is also a pick list. We need to enable the sort alphabetically option. Display values alphabetically. Everyone is understanding the things whatever I'm discussing. Everyone is understanding the things whatever I'm discussing. Please respond.
Yes. Yes, Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Just I'm
Yes.
creating I can understand I'm creating a multiple fields. Yes. The next one is a job level. This is a pick list. I told you, like in position object, I'll create a multiple pick list values, and candidate object, I'm going to give assignment.
This comes under app developing only, no?
Yes, just object creation. This comes under. Okay, just I create a job level pick list also. And we have working days. Okay, it's like a multi-select pick list, means you can select multiple values. Pick list multi-select. Yeah, you can able to see. And the next one is a candidate object I'm giving as an assignment, everyone. Please practice. Yeah, you need to invest some time definitely today. Yeah. Then only
Um,
you can catch the things easily
Venkat,
tomorrow.
when you shared this documents, right? Notepads we were able to download, but Word documents we couldn't actually. Is it
Word
some
documents are not downloadable, Soumya. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I can understand because to copying the things you are facing difficulty. No worries. Today I'll paste these particular things in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
Then you
And
can
this, at least this requirement document, this.
I'll share the whatever. Just I'll copy these particular things related to position object and hiring manager object, and I'll paste in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Hiring manager object, no worries. I think so. Only position object because these are all pick list. No, even this one also. No pick list. Only here only. Just I'll copy the position object. Some fields. You can able to see the location, status, type, pick list values. I'll paste. Yeah, for each every object. Then it you'll not face any difficulty. Yeah, other people also. Certifications, text area rich. Yeah, click next. Okay, and we have HR contact number, HR email ID. HR contact number is nothing but a phone. Where is phone? Phone, yes. HR contact number. Click next. And we have HR email ID. Click new. And we have maximum budget. Okay, just every position when they're creating, there is a maximum budget. Okay, it's a number field. Just where is this? And also we have minimum budget. Milestone date means this position needs to be completed on specific timings. That's why I'm selecting date, milestone date. And minimum budget. Okay, minimum budget, maximum budget, every position there is minimum budget. Just I'm selecting number field. Yeah, and we have opened number of positions. Click on this particular position, number of positions, number field, number. Selecting the number. Yeah, we are completing the fields. Wait for a few minutes. Just let's go to the page layout. Let's see other things. First, let's see the UI, then we'll go to the page layout and record types. And open date. This particular position is need to be open date field. When this particular position will be opened, that particular date also it will be open date. Close date is there. And we have close date. Close date, I think I created it. Means this particular position passport required. Yes, let's create checkbox.
But once you select this number or text, it is never, we can't change, right? For that
We can change the data type also.
later, later after you create it.
Yes, you can change the data type. You're asking to change the data type. Yes, we can change. Yes.
Okay.
For example, I'm selecting date. Click on edit. Change field type. See, you can select.
Okay.
But it is not a right one because
Yeah, because once you make it as a date and
uh,
I mean later part it is holding some text value, it won't be nice. One record is having that date and
because in real time multiple amount of data is there. Yeah.
yeah.
Because at starting only they will decide it. If something like happened, okay, we need to modify in all the test classes, all the things, whatever it may be. Yeah.
But do we have any restrictions which can be done at the back end? Like, what if by mistake the user changes? Like, no one knows it, right? So,
Yeah, initially only in individual sandbox only we'll modify it. That's it. Because first of all, in individual sandbox, we'll develop all the things. Okay. Then we'll pass to dev environment. Then we'll pass. Just imagine by mistake and you done it. Okay. Again, it will go to QA. Testing team will do the testing. Then they will identify this issue. Then they will tell you this is the issue. You're like you done wrong. Then immediately again you'll modify it and you'll do the deployment. That's it.
but you don't have any like security kind that they are not allowed. I mean, this user is not should not do this like kind.
You
Few
mentioned that
restrictions.
modifying the data type.
Yeah,
You
yeah, yeah. Like I'm telling, like few of the like maybe for new person should not change the data type. They can create
You are a developer, you are a system admin, okay? Because you are a creator. You
so
can
if
do
I
it as a
change the
developer.
system admin to something else, maybe I will be able to restrict it.
I did not got it. What's your exact question?
My question is like, see, if 10 people are out, they might have different experience, right? So if one person, maybe like five persons can be allowed to change the data type once created. But other people, like since they were very new, they should not be allowed. Something like that, whether it's possible. Like security wise, I'm asking, like
Like restricting that particular record
restricting
to
that. Yeah.
access.
Yes.
Yeah, just we can disable the edit that particular permission, record wise that particular thing. Data type, I did not observe it. Yeah, because data type it's a back end work. As a developer, everyone will do it. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, not at like data type. Anything can be like if they don't want to give that
Like for
access.
example, one field is there. Okay, four users can be able to see, other four users cannot be able to see. Four users read permissions. Okay, other three users edit permissions. Like that you are saying?
Yes, yes, might be like
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
it is possible in the data security. I'll cover in the profile level permissions.
Okay,
We
let
can
me
do it.
not ask this. Maybe yeah. I
Yeah,
think it's too early to ask.
yeah, we can do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
just I'm going to the position object. You can see. I think let me try to log out and log in. Yes, everyone able to see all the fields. Everyone able to see all the information. It's a multi-select pick list. Text area rich. You can able to select the text. certifications. This is a number, email ID, number field, just like this, date, checkbox. Okay, but the alignment is not good. Is the alignment looks good?
No.
Click save. I feel alignment is not look good. Let's go to the page layout. By default, one page layout is there. Let's modify the information in this page layout. Okay, by default, one page layout is there. Let's modify in this page layout only. Then accordingly, I'll structure it. Okay, this is the information is there. Okay, let us create a new section. Everyone able to see the new section?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just I'm creating HR contact information. In the HR contact information, I'm placing HR phone and HR email ID. See,
Initially, you get a default page layout, and to get to that, you are adding, right? If you
yes,
here.
I'm modifying it.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you show that one more time, like new section addition?
I'll show it. Just
Okay.
skills. Okay, other details. Click new. Okay,
Sorry, from where you got that pop-up new section one under layout properties?
click on section.
Okay.
Place this.
Okay, got it. Okay.
That's it. Okay, HR contact number and
Wherever you want in that layout, you are just placing it. Okay.
exactly. Okay, and also skills required. Just I'm placing here. Okay, just I'm placing. Just I'm removing it. If you need, you can remove Java, JavaScript, Apex, Excel. Just you can click on this icon, remove. You can place this.
So will that be deleted altogether or how it works?
Yes, I just I'm clicking on this icon. Not all together. One by one, I'm deleting. Okay.
No, no. I meant to say like we have created all these fields right now. Now,
Hmm.
when you're removing this, will this fields which we have created will be removed, but deleted, or will they stay somewhere? Whenever required, we can add it again.
I did not remove it. I did not remove this field. Just I removed in the page load. Just I'm adding in another section. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm adding in another section. That's it. Okay, just I'm clicking on save. Okay, this is the position layout. Okay, other details. We can add other details also. Travel required. If you want here, from here also you can do it. No need to remove and place it. Just you can drag and drop. Okay. Minimum pay, maximum pay. Where is open date? Yeah. Let me try to. Exactly not required. Just normally for your view purpose, I'm showing you. Yeah. See side by side, open date, close date. Maximum budget, minimum budget. Let us make side by side. Yeah. Okay, number of positions. Click on save. Just I modified the layout, that's it. What I did it, just I modified the layout. 8:30, but I'm continuing it, okay? Today, not every day. Is it okay to everyone? For next 10 minutes, is it okay?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, what's the difference you observed previous and now? The previously we don't have like this alignments, everything. Now you can able to see separate sections,
Like
everything it's in properly aligned.
skills
Everyone
required
able to
is
see.
separate. Yeah,
It looks good?
Yeah, good, very
more
good.
clarity.
Yes. That's why I create a multiple fields. That is the reason. Okay. Now I will create a new page layout, IT page layout and non-IT page layout. Just I'm using existing layout only. Okay, just for IT page layout, I'm keeping all the things. And let's go to the non-IT. I'm using existing layout only. For non-IT, I'm removing some of the fields. I don't need these fields. Just I'm removing some of the fields in non-IT. Click save. Okay, I created IT position and non-IT. What is the next step after creating the layouts? What is the next step?
Record types.
Exactly. Click new. Okay, what is the next record type?
Non-IT positions.
Yes. I'm making active available. Everyone able to see make default is highlighted automatically. You're able to see. Just previously it is if you enable make available, you can able to see make default. Yeah. Which layout I need to choose?
Non-IT position there.
Non-IT.
Don't forget make default option. And it is not possible to edit the record type. Other things it is possible. Only record type it is not possible. Maybe in future it will becomes. Maybe in future it will be record types also we can edit it. Now we cannot able to do it. Yeah. I'm going to the lead. Sorry, I'm going need to go to the position. Click new. Yeah, everyone able to see IT and non-IT. If you selected IT positions, you can able to see.
Yeah.
Just you can select the job description. Okay.
So here you made that position as that make available default, and these two as just make available.
First position automatically make default checkbox is not been enabled. First record type. The second
Yeah.
record type onwards, make default, you need to enable. Okay.
Yeah, those two.
Okay, just I'm selecting the status functional area.
Sorry, I told the opposite way. Yes.
Okay, just I'm selecting open. Just I'm selecting manual everything. Type full time, job level, senior software, Monday. Just you can select multiple values. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay.
And one more,
Manual
this is the place where we run the, I mean, this is our view, or it's like end user view?
It's not just we'll place this same view in that particular thing. Like we can create LWC components also as per the requirement. If you need this is the agent view. Okay. Agent view.
Okay.
From
So,
coming to end user view, we can create an LWC components.
yeah, sure.
Okay, just we can enable the checkbox. Click save. Yeah. Everyone able to say I created the record type successfully with all the data. Real time also looks like this only. Okay. And you can see the non-IT record type, you can able to see, you cannot able to see all these things. Certifications, you can able to see certifications are not there. Why certifications are not there and Apex all other skills are not there? Why? Any reason? Because I removed it.
Layout, removed it.
Exactly.
When doing this layout.
Yes. Just I'm discussing all these particular things, whatever it may be. I'm discussing about all these particular things. Yeah. Okay, just I discussed about position object. Okay, I'm giving assignment for candidate object. Similarly, I'm requesting everyone to try to practice for candidate object. Everyone is clear with my point? Candidate object.
Yes.
Okay. So everyone I'm requesting try to complete hiring manager, position, candidate by tomorrow. That's it. More time you need to invest. Today only 3 hours. Tomorrow onwards 2 to 3 hours. Today only, not tomorrow. Just today. Invest some time on hiring manager, position, and candidate.
So good.
Yeah, that's it. This is about today's class thing. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'm stopping the recording. So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start with a new topic. First, let's check the existing things, and accordingly, we can start with new things tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, team. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow.
Thank you.